The 12 Dogs of Christmas, written by Allison Ritchie and Marissa Morea. The 12 Dogs of Christmas. It's one little pup's first Christmas, and he's ready to have some fun. Everyone looks busy. There's so much to be done. Outside, he spies 2 dachshunds who are trudging to and fro. It's hard delivering Christmas cards when you're sinking in the snow. Something smells deliciously good. It's next door's Christmas cake. 3 daring Dalmatians help get it ready to be baked. Now it's time to go and pick the perfect Christmas tree. 4 French bulldogs try to help, but will they all agree? Pup walks by the bakery. It's filled with scrumptious things. 5 golden retrievers beg for their golden rings. Down at the deli, Christmas treats are stacked up on the shelves. 6 silly Scotties just can't wait and devour the feast themselves. Christmas trees in every house sparkle with twinkling light. 7 festive spaniels get ready for their big night. Hung on the door, a Christmas wreath gives out a festive greeting, but 8 hungry Labradors decide it's really best for eating. Ding dong, the doorbell rings. There are carolers outside. When 9 beagles howl along, the pup just wants to hide. The Christmas presents are almost wrapped when somebody comes for tea. 10 fluffy collies want to help and herd gifts under the tree. Out in the park, the frosty snowmen lose their cozy clothes. 11 pugs are very well dressed, and look who's found a carrot nose. Sleds go speeding down the hill along the frozen pond. 12 chihuahuas slip and slide and try to skate along. It's Christmas Eve and everyone's ready to watch the children's play. But reindeer dogs and elves run riot and someone's on the sleigh. A long day has come to end at last. This pup has had a ball. There's one more Christmas treat for him. The best surprise of all.